You'd think such goodness and taste would only be available in a farm or the market, right? Not anymore. Electrolux NutriFresh keeps your food market fresh for longer, giving you and your family the goodness and taste you love. Dry air inside a fridge makes the fruits and vegetables dry through loss of moisture. So how does Electrolux NutriFresh prevent this? Presenting the Electrolux NutriFresh with Fresh Shield Crisper. This keeps food market fresh for 7 days. How? Let's study a side-by-side comparison of the Electrolux NutriFresh with Fresh Shield Crisper and other refrigerators. Both crispers are stocked with market fresh produce. So, let's see what happens on day 1, day 2, day 3, and on day 7. How did the NutriFresh Fresh Shield Crisper keep the food fresh for 7 days? For starters, it does not let any dry air through and keeps the moisture inside. Moreover, the NutriFresh inverter compressor maintains a steady temperature in comparison to the huge fluctuations in other refrigerators. The result? The Electrolux NutriFresh Crisper extended the life of the fruits and vegetables in your fridge in a smart, energy-efficient and intuitive manner, giving you and your family fresh, healthy and tasty food all year round. In the Electrolux NutriFresh refrigerator, your food will get all-round care and cooling. Its 360-degree air-cool feature ensures 3-way circulation, maintaining optimum goodness even in the lower levels. What's more, the Fresh Taste Deodorizer reduces odor-causing bacteria and keeps your food smelling fresh and tasting fresh. The Electrolux NutriFresh system, an ecosystem that preserves goodness, preserves taste, leaving your family with happy tummies and happy faces.